Yeah, welcome you once again to Menalize TV, and today we are looking at cycle theorem. We are given questions in a cycle to solve. How best can you go about it? And this time I'm going to guide you in finding the values of angles in a cycle. So the first property of the cycle theorem is that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So now the angle at the circumference here is 50 degrees. So how do we find the value of x? And the rule says that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, which means that twice of this will give you the x. So the x is twice of what? The angle at the circumference. So we can say that x is equal to twice of 50 degrees. So our x is equal to 100 degrees. So the second property is that the opposite angles in a cycle quadrilateral sum up to 180 degrees, which means that this is a quadrilateral in a cycle. So these two, the 70 and the y, they are opposite angles. And the rule says that these opposite angles, when you add them, you get 180 degrees. So for us to find the y, that means y plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So our y is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So y is equal to 110 degrees. So in the diagram, you have to find the value of x and then the value of y. So looking at this, we know that the x is an angle at the center. And we know that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, which means that our x is equal to twice of 70 degrees. So x is equal to 140 degrees. So you can see that this place, this is what? Half of what we have here. So this place is 140 degrees. Now for us to find y, we know that from here to here to here to here and that place is a cycle quadrilateral. So cycle quadrilateral, we say that the opposite angles will sum up to give you 180 degrees, which means that the y plus 70 degrees is equal to 180. Now we find the value of y. So y is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees. So y is equal to 110 degrees.